Hey guys, thank you for joining us again, car system installation. Today we're going to show you how to install the YP-CPAA-LEX17, which is the CarPlay Android Auto interface for Lexus vehicles. We also have a 15 and 19. The difference between the three units is just the harnesses. The unit itself is identical. In this case, we have a RX350 2016 with an 8-inch screen, and the controller in this case is not the touchpad, it's the round joystick with the 3 buttons on the top. So this one fits with the LEX17, YP-CPAA-LEX17. So we have the unit in here. The dip switches we're gonna set up completely to off, all of it in top to off for the 8-inch vehicle with this joystick. We have our wireless antenna here for the wireless CarPlay. We have our T-harness. This T-harness is connected all behind the radio part, and it has a mic. Just in case the vehicle doesn't have a factory microphone, you can add an aftermarket. If it has, it will utilize the factory mic. Then we have another T-harness. This is the video harness. This one goes behind the screen on the top. And we have another power connector. This one also behind the screen. Okay, so we're gonna show you quickly how we install this. We already have the radio out, and I already fished out put a fish to allow me to run the wires quickly down. So we're just gonna quickly run the wires to the bottom, so we have more room to hide the unit. So right here. Okay. So we have this in here. So I already have the wires on the bottom. So the T-harness that we have on the top here, we have female and male. On the back of the screen we have the connector here, so we're going to put the female with the factory and our male back into the factory screen. So that's how we split the screen. And then we have the power connection for the screen, same thing. I'm going to plug this one here, plug this one here. We have our two connectors in here, the gray and green. In this case we are leaving them intact. They are connected to each other. They are connected. We don't remove them or change them. I'm going to put the screen already just laid down so we can see the screen shortly. Now for the radio part, again we have our T-harness. Now there's different plugs in here, and all the plugs have different shape and different fitting. They will not fit each other, so you don't have to worry about making a mistake. I already seen which one I'm taking, so I know it's the top one in here, second one on this one, and one on the bottom. Now we're gonna plug it in. We have our top one, so again our harness go back inside and the T goes back to here. Second one would be our blue connector. Our harness go in here and to the factory. And the last one is the power. It has the power connection on it, so again factory in here. Our aftermarket goes back inside. As you can see, very quickly plugged in. These connectors supply the aux connection, which means how we're gonna hear the sound system. These connectors supply the power and connection to the controller. We're gonna plug everything in the unit. So from the top we have our LVDS goes here. This connector that goes from the top, also we have port 1 and 2. We're going to put it in port 1. Our power connection we're going to put into the Canon power. Make sure everything clicks in, locks in. And now the last piece we have, I forgot to show you, we have this connector that has the USB on it, and it has the camera inputs. Now if the vehicle already has a factory camera, the factory camera will work as usual. You don't have to change it. We're going to plug it in. Since we are using the wireless CarPlay, so this USB not needed, but it's for charging, but it's also for update. In case there is an update, we can send you updates, and you're going to use the USB to update. It also gives you the mirroring option. So for iPhones, you can mirror your phone to the screen using this connector. So you run the USB to wherever you want. It's pretty much everything is connected. We're going to turn the ignition to on. Okay, we're gonna press the controller. Now first thing we're gonna go to the audio functions. We're gonna set up the vehicle on aux. Now we're gonna hold the menu button, and that's gonna switch us to the CarPlay screen. The CarPlay screen, we already have a phone connected wireless. It's an Android phone, the Galaxy S20 Ultra 5G, connected wirelessly. So we're gonna choose that one, and it's gonna take us to this Android system. As we can see, we have everything showing on the screen. We're using our controller to run between the options. We're gonna press the return button and go to the main menu. If we have music, we can play it from here. If we wanna have voice commands, we're gonna go to the voice command. We're gonna press send a text message.
Who do you want to text?
Cancel.
Okay, no problem.
As you can see, everything is used with the factory controller, and the microphone in this case we are using the factory, so you can hear a clear and nice sound. If we want to go back to the menu, we can go back to our main system unit. Now we're gonna send you this when you place the order. We're gonna send you how to connect your phone, but I'll give you a quick tutorial. We go into the phone link, and we're gonna go here to connect mobile devices. Now we're gonna press the start search. In your phone, you have to be on the Bluetooth option. So just to be in your phone, in your settings, don't try to connect from the phone. Just go to the Bluetooth settings, have the Bluetooth setting screen open, press start search. Your phone will be found in here. Then you're gonna have the connection and choose the CarPlay. Again, this is all gonna come with the instructions after you place your order. So the Apple CarPlay system for a Lexus vehicle is available at Car System Installation. It's a wireless CarPlay. In this case, we have used the YP-CPAA-LEX17. That's for the 8-inch. We also have for the 10-inch, which is the 15, and we also have for different joystick, which is the 19. For more information, contact our sales team. Thank you for joining us. Subscribe to our channel, and we'll see you next time. Have a great day.